Alright, well I took a little break to inflate my seat rest.
Okay.
Feeling a little better. We're maybe a mile down. Still no sign of my fish pond nut.
Well, this inflated seat rest should hopefully help my abs. My abs are so done right now. Still no sign of the net. I'm incredibly lopsided right now. Check the other side of this island too. Do you see a net here? I lost a floating fish net. Do you see a green one in there anywhere? Okay, thank you. What? Oh. Well, that guy just got mad at me for stopping on his property, but cannot find my net either.